Today we are on day 7 of our Plasticine advent calendar. So have you spotted the door? Can you find it? Here it is. So let's have a look and see what's inside. Oh, this one doesn't want to open. It's going to keep us in suspense, I think. Let's see. Oh no, today's going to make me hungry. Right. Today we are making, oh, wait for it. I've got too eager, I've started taking it out already. Today we are making a Christmas pudding. Let's have a look and see what we need. So this is what we're going to be making today, and if we turn over and we'll look at these instructions, we are going to need some brown, some white, some red and some green. So we're going to start off today by actually making the pudding. So it tells us we need to roll a brown ball for the pudding and add texture by denting it with the tool. Let's see then, so if I take this bit off, and again, warm it up in our hands. It's another chilly day here. Is it chilly there today? So roll. And I think what I'm going to do is going to decorate this first and then we'll add these marks. So I've got this bit. Now the next bit. Roll out a white disc for the icing and pinch the edges to make them wavy. So I'm going to start off by rolling a piece of white. It's this sort of size, just bigger than a pea. Roll it into a circle. And then we're going to flatten it. So flatten it, and don't worry about it being too much of a circle. And then we're going to pinch it. Just pinch it ever so slightly in different places. It doesn't matter how many times you pinch it, but just pinch it and turn. Just to make it a little bit wavy, and then I'm going to flatten it some more. And what you can see as I'm flattening it more is it's making those wavy bits stand out a little bit more. There we go. And then I'm going to pop it over the top. I'm going to just push it down as I do it as well. Push it down a little bit. Oh, this is a nice and easy one today. A gingerbread man felt a bit tricky yesterday, but this one feels like it's quite nice and easy. So there we go. There is our pudding with our icing on the top. We are going to make 2 green strips and pinch the edges to make the holly. Oh, the instructions are different than last time, aren't they? Because last time it told us to make the holly. Do you remember it told us, I think this was on the bells video, and it told us that what we needed to do was cut it. And I said, no, don't do that, do it this way instead. So I've got, it looks like a pea size amount. I'm going to split that in half. Do you remember what I said when we made the bell? The holly for the bell? So we're going to roll it round in a circle. Or into a ball, should I say. Roll it round. And the other one, don't worry if it is not a perfect ball. Because the next thing we're going to do is roll it to make a bit of a cylinder or an oval shape. I'm going to do that with the other one as well. There we go. And then we're going to pinch those edges. So we'll do it on that one. So it starts looking a bit like a diamond. And then I'm going to flatten it. Pinch the edges again. And then what we did, if you remember, we used the tool just to push it in a little bit in that middle bit and in this middle bit And I'd said to you, if you've not got one of these, don't worry, just use something like a lid off a biro or something, and then just pinch it again. Oh, this one doesn't want to go. That's all right though. There we are. That's it. The good thing is with this, if it doesn't quite go right to start with, you can always just keep working on it until you get the shape that you want. So there's one leaf done. I think this is going to be a bit big, so I'm going to take that one off. To flatten it, pinch it, make it a bit longer again, and push it in with my nail this time, see if that helps. That's it. So we have got our 2 pieces of holly. The other thing we can do is do a little line down the middle. That's that one. Oh, that's flipped that one over, look. Start on that one. There we go. And then make 3 red balls for the berries. So I'm going to start off with a pea size amount of red, roll it into a ball, then I'm going to break that into 3 and we'll see what size that is. Yeah, again that's too big, so I'm going to keep one of those pieces, which is this bit, and I'm going to break this into a couple of pieces, roll them around into so that they're a ball. Get another one, those pieces that I broke off, break that in half. There we go. And again, if it's not perfect, it doesn't matter. It's all fine. Right, if we turn this over and have a look at what they've done on there. What they've done is they've got the top of their Christmas pudding. They have put 1 holly leaf, 2 holly leaves, that's the second one. And they've got 1 berry, 2 berries, and the 3rd berry. Let's put that one on there so that they're raised a little bit. And then the last thing, use this, the end of this, just to make it look. I'm going to just dig some holes in it. Again, the end of a biro pen or something would do a really good job of this. The lid, I mean, not the actual bit that you write with. Just make a few little dots to make it look like that Christmas pudding texture. Do them all over. And there we have it. Our Christmas pudding, all ready for Christmas Day. And there's not long to go now. I will see you tomorrow for day 8. Bye.